So ADA right now is just following the rest of the market. BTC is setting the direction for everything. And unfortunately, right now it has been dropping. So ADA price is dropping. We're not heavily decorrelated yet. This is not alt season. This is not late bull market cycle. So we tend to do what the rest of the market does. Unfortunately, right now, because of when ADA had its breakout, this move looks a lot more exaggerated. Okay. So we've dropped about, 26% since this breakout that we had, because again, this move coincided with that BTC retracement. So now what we're seeing in the charts is BTC is starting to settle right into the bottom of its channel. So again, ADA is following. You can actually see this kind of playing out right here. And what is likely to happen here, and this is not a guarantee, this is not financial advice, a nice DCA opportunity flash for BTC. We haven't seen a DCA, we haven't seen a DCA on the 4-hour in quite some time in terms of BTC. But what's likely about to happen here is either some sideways trading or a nice little bounce here. Okay, now I'm not saying we're going to break through this, but BTC likes to stay consistent with what it does. Right now, with us being in this trend, it'll likely want to stay in this trend. We'll see if it holds. But really the big thing that we're waiting on right now is tomorrow's conclusion of the FOMC meeting. So I talked about this a lot in a SHIB video yesterday. And really the reason why the market is acting the way that it is, or at least the big money is acting the way that it is because of uncertainty. There's the possibility of some uncertainty re-entering the market. Now I won't get too much into this, but what we're maybe going to experience is some possible negative sentiment from Jerome Powell. The numbers, they're going to be what they are, right? We're not going to probably see an interest rate hike. They haven't talked about that in a long time. But what this negative sentiment might do is it might push interest rate decreases back. And the market doesn't like that. Now, the thing is, this drop that we're on right now, could it go lower? Sure. Right. If we get some negative sentiment, it's really, if it's really, really bad, then it would not be surprised if BTC breaks through here, continues to fall lower, then would not be surprised by higher retracements in terms of ADA as well. We got some support levels down below here, down in the 54-cent range. But the thing is with as exaggerated of a drop as this is, the negative sentiment might be priced in already. All right. I did talk about that in my SHIB video, and it would not surprise me if it was. Would not surprise me at all. Right now, the market is overreacting in a huge way. You can see even since the top here, right? BTC has pulled back what? Pulled back 15%. That's a pretty big pullback for BTC when things are looking pretty good. All right. So what we will have to do is just be patient. Unfortunately, we don't have a sense of what they're going to say. We have an idea of what Jerome Powell is going to say, which is again the reason why I think it's priced in. When we had a lot of questions about like where interest rates were going to go and what the sentiment was going to be when we were, about a year ago or so, we saw bigger reactions in the market. The last couple times we've had FOMC meetings, we haven't really gotten much movement one way or the other. It's just been kind of like this steady march onwards, this steady march to the upside. So what I'm kind of waiting for here, again, is some more DCA opportunities. The nice thing is actually one possible one, again, flashed here on ADA. So I'll be looking to add some more ADA to my bag. I've definitely been trying to accumulate as much as I can in these opportunities. If you guys are curious, this is my indicator. The link's in the description below. It's called HG Algo. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee on it. So it makes trading a lot easier. You can see that there's been some DCA opportunities for ADA where we've gotten some nice pops off of this indication. Nice pop off of this indication. This one was okay. We basically returned back here, but nice pop out of here, right? So you guys get the point. Check it out if you want. Links in the description below, but be patient. Let these things play out. If we get some negative sentiment, if we push further, this may be our kind of early pre-halving drop. I've been pretty much against us having a drop period, but right now, because of these things kind of compounding on top of each other, this may be our deep breath before that further extension to the upside. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.